Iftikhar Ahmed Raja, known for unique paintings and love of spirituality. Today, he can be claimed as an institution in himself. He is an inspiration to millions due to his unbelievable skills and aesthetic form of art. Born on June 10, 1955 at Khamgaon, Maharashtra, I.A. Raja is an Indian artist with extraordinary skills. He holds an experience of 35 long years in endorsing this form of art, the art that is beyond the human imagination. At first go, everyone would find it difficult to digest and believe the way he paints. You might be thinking, what other way can an artist paint? His magic wand, his paintbrush. What else? Well, yes, like all artists, even I.A. Raja has his magic wand, but there's a bit of twist in the magic here. The magic wand this man of miracle uses is none other than his finger and nail. Hard to believe. He paints on paper, wall, glass, etc. merely with his fingers and nails. No formal training, just some inspiration from the elements of the nature, and now he is the artist uncomparable. His inspiration is a divine energy which guides him to recreate the non-living and fill in the colors of life. Now, that's what we call God gift. He hasn't restrained or confined himself to a specific genre of paintings. The subjects of his paintings are vast, maybe it emotions or nature, modern art, portraits, and many more. He is a truly versatile artist, and he also creates painting direct on wall with oil colors. He has been awarded by various governments. Recently, he had created smallest finger painting 1 2/2 inch in just 41 seconds and awarded by Indian Book of Record.